3D generative AI, this will be Neural4D. As you can see, this can generate some incredible models. So this will be the case study. I have over here a Mecanum wheel. This is the final input. In this case, I only added the images. So the main advantage is that the multi-view reference over here within Neural4D is really amazing. So we can add the front, back, left and right. And most importantly, we can also add top and bottom. Now, how those images were generated, we see them over here. These are actually print screens directly from Fusion 360. And this is the model. As you can see, this will be the back view. I can turn around, I can use the cube, and I generated those. Now, this is the CAD model, as you can see, really well defined with the radial pattern of the Mecanum wheel. And this will be the generative AI model. And I'm really impressed that this is far better than what the other tool generated. Also, if you're going to check over here the overall width of this will be the same. I have this exported and loaded over here within Blender. And if I'm going to select the model generated by Neural4D, this will have 1 million faces. And if I'm going to overlap this base to the original CAD model, we're going to see that the actual deviations are really small in this case. So I generated this using other tools, but this is the closest model that was generated. So others were slightly scaled on the y-axis, and we see that this is really amazing. Now it's not perfect, it's not up to the CAD model, but we see over here the overall overlapping of those models is really good. In my opinion, this is the best generative AI model that will use multiple references. I do encourage you to give Neural4D a try, and you're going to see that if you use multi-image, the outputs will be really good. At least for the case study with the Mecanum wheel, the results are really amazing. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. You're going to find a similar video on the left side. And if you enjoyed this kind of content, you can also consider to subscribe. You're going to find the button on the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.